To install the base course, position torpedo base blocks with the handholds down. Level the first unit, side to side, with a dead blow hammer. Pitch the base course back 1/16 of an inch for each foot of wall height to keep the wall level on higher courses. Here's a tip. 1/16 of an inch happens to be the height of 1/4, which you can tape to a level to save time. For every foot of wall height, tape 1/4 to the level. For a straight wall, set a string line against the back of the units. The outside of one block should nest inside the curve of the block next to it, and they should touch. Continue leveling the torpedo base blocks in this manner.